A very good afternoon to all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the reading and writing operations through the console IO. Before we proceed into this topic, first we can recall what is the IO streams. The stream is nothing but the sequence of data is called as the stream. Okay. In that we have discussed about the two types of streams, right? What are those two streams? Is right, it is a input stream and the output stream. This input stream and output streams, which is used to read the input and print it on the console. Here we are going to see how the reading and writing operations, which is going to take place in the console itself. There is nothing but that black screen itself, how it is going to happen. That thing we are going to discuss in this video. In three ways, we can perform the reading operation in the console. For that, we can use the three types of classes. First one is BufferReader class, and the second one is the scanner class, and third one is the console class. So in this, each buffer method, scanner or console, each method, it will act as a class. What is that? The buffer reader. A buffer reader is a class which is implemented through the traditional techniques. And this reading method, it is wrapped in the standard input stream. In this, it is wrapped with the buffered reader method. Through this, we can read the input in the console. And it is also available in the package of java.io. So the buffer reader is a class. It is wrapped in the wrapped with the input stream reader, and it is available in the Java IO package. For this, you can consider this example. Just we are going to get the name alone. Nothing we are going to do extra from this. Here the class is defined with the class name is reading demo. Just we are going to read the content and we are going to print it in the console. Buffer reader is a class. If it is a class, we have to create an object, right? What is the syntax to create an object for the class? Yes, already you know that for the creating an object for a class, we have to follow the syntax. The syntax is class name, object name equal to new keyword, then class name. Then the class name, it will act as a method. The same syntax here also we are going to use because the buffer reader is a class. So buffer reader in is an object equal to new buffered reader is a method name. Here again, new input stream reader. Already we have discussed that. The buffer reader class, it contains this input stream reader. So the input stream reader method, it is put inside this buffered reader, right? This thing we are going to use it for the reading purpose. So system is a class and the .in. Then the name which we are going to give, it will be a string. That's right. What is a string? Right. The string is a sequence of character. So the sequence of character that should be specified within the double quotes. Okay. If any error is occurred during the runtime, then that can be handled through the exception handling mechanisms. That is the try, catch, and finally. And also we are having the throw and throws. The try, here we are using this system.out.print. Along with this, we are going to use this readline method. This readline method, which is used to read the input which is given by the user. And this line, which is used to print the message, hello. Then after that, the name which you have typed through this statement, got through this readline method, it will be get printed over here. Here, the next one is the catch. The catch, if any error is occurred in this try block, it will be catched through this catch block. system.out.println. What are the exception which is arised in the try, it will be get printed, handled over here. Then the finally method, it will call this close method to close the function. After starting, we have to close it. The next one is the scanner class. Already you know that already we have done an experiment for addition of two numbers. For that, we got the input from the user through this scanner class, and we have performed the addition operation, and also we got output also verified, right? The same thing here also, the scanner is a class and it is also available in the standard input output stream, and it is available under the package of util. And this is the example, another example. Public static void main scanner class name object name equal to new class name system.in, the string. Then next one is the enter the name. Here we will use the next method to get the input. After getting, it will be passed to this statement to print it. The next one is the console. The reading input data using console class, it is the most commonly used method. And actually this method, it was get introduced in the Java 1.6 version. Okay. Then this console class, it is defined in the package java.io. It's available in the IO package itself. And this is the example for console class. Okay. Here the console class. So it is created, here we have created an object. Then we have used a class name. Before this, we have used a new method, right? New keyword we have used. Here it is a system, that is class dot system class dot console method. Then if the object is not equal to null, then we can get the input. Else, it will print that the console is not available. Okay. If the console is being used by the some other program, then it will print that the console is not available. Otherwise, we can use it. These are the reading console. What are the three classes which is used to perform the operations in the console, reading console? Yes, of course, it is correct. First one is the buffer reader, and the second one is a scanner class, and third one is the console class. Likewise, for performing the writing operation on the console, we will use the methods. In previous, we have used about the classes. Here we will use the methods. Here we will use three methods to write the content on a console. Print, println, then write method. Okay, all these three methods which is used to write content on the console. Okay. So this is the reference. Thank you.